Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this sub-series, we are learning about C# graphical interface, shortly called as GDI+. So in the previous 5 videos, we learned about how to get the graphics object from any control. In our case, we retrieved the graphics from this panel, this black panel. Then we saw how to draw a rectangle. We also saw how to draw a circle, and you can access any functionality, drawing functionality available with the graphics object, which is retrieved from any component. In our case, we retrieved it from panel. Alright, then we saw how to use a pen and how to set attributes like color and thickness. Now we will get introduced to GDI plus brushes. In this video, we are going to quickly see what are all the brushes available in C#. These are all the slide decks from our previous videos. So, like painting a wall color with a brush. So usually when the painters painting the wall, they use a brush, right? Here in GDI Plus also, the concept will be similar. We can paint a enclosed region with a brush. The GDI object used for painting is brush in GDI Plus or in a graphical device interface of a .NET framework. We use brush to paint the enclosed surface. Enclosed surface means the we can say a closed shape. So for example, it can be any shape. So if it is completely enclosed, then you can paint this enclosed region. So open surface we cannot paint. Say for example, this is some object, there is a gap, right? This portion you can't paint because there is a gap. But if it is closed, then here if you see there are two enclosed region. This is one enclosed region and this is one enclosed region. You can paint both of these enclosed region with a brush. There are 3 types of brushes available. One is solid brush. It fills the enclosed region with a plain color. Here, if you see, the enclosed region is the rectangle. You can see the outer layer here in yellow color, and the solid brush paints this enclosed region with a blue color. So this is what called the brush color. Here we use a brush color of blue. So solid brush fills the enclosed region with a plain color. So the color can be anything. Here what is shown is a blue color. The enclosed region can be painted with any color. Next comes gradient brush. So gradient brush works on 2 color and they will be linearly interpolated between 2 end. We can say 2 end. Let's see an example. Here if you see, color 1 is yellow, color 2 is green. The linear interpolation is applied horizontally from left to right or from color 1 to color 2. In this region you can see a yellow color. Here you can see a green color, and you can see how yellow is linearly interpolated into green. Here it is a mixture of both yellow and green. This side more yellow, and when you move this side it will be more green. So the linear interpolation can be applied horizontally or vertically or even diagonally. Next comes hatch brush. Fills a pattern in a closed region. So brush means simply it paints the closed region. So here pattern brush or hatch brush means it fills a pattern. So for example, here the pattern is wave. So the wave pattern is filled inside this closed region. Here the gradient brush is applied between two color. In this example, you are seeing yellow and green, and how the color is linearly interpolated in between to form a mixture. And here, once again, you are seeing two color. One is the background color. Background color here is, we can say back color. Back color is yellow, and fore color is blue. And pattern is wave, right? So there are many patterns available. In our example, we picked just 4 patterns to understand how pattern brush works. That's all we want to know about the brushes, and in the next video onwards we will proceed with the brush related topics. First, in the next video we will prepare the example so that it will show the relevant controls, and after that we will start going through all these brushes. That means first we will learn what is solid brush, then we will go to the gradient, and finally we end up with pattern brush, and we will finish this GDI plus example sub-series. That's all here in this video. There is no demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.